Welcome to the ePNJPOS cash discount video. This video will show you how to enable this feature and how to apply it to a sale. If ePNJPOS is running on your computer, please close it before making any changes. Please log into your account at www.eProcessingNetwork.com. Click the Software and Apps from the left menu. Tap ePNJPOS. Open the Account and Receipt Info section. Now open the Email and Fee settings. You can set a flat rate or a percentage for the cash discount. Select the option you want and enter the value. Click Save. Now open the Clerks section. Cash discount is an individual setting for each of your clerks. You will need to enable it for all clerks that you want to have this feature. Click the Edit button for the clerk. Select Yes from the drop-down menu for Allow Cash Discount. Click Continue to save changes. Now let's open the ePNJPOS software from your desktop icon. Enter the clerk login. Click Login. Click the Cash button. Enter the sale amount. The discount is filled in for you. If you want to turn off the discount for this sale only, uncheck the box. Enter the tendered amount. Be sure to enter your customer contact information and email for a receipt. This is optional. Click Submit. All cash transactions are approved. Once processing is finished, the cash drawer will open so you can make change. The receipt will print once you click Continue. Press Enter to start a new transaction. Please contact your authorized sales agent for more information about eProcessing Network products. Thank you for watching.